There are many reports in QuickBooks you can generate to review how your company is doing. The report section is really one of those areas that you will have to actually devote some time to and review the various reports available to you, because it is a highly subjective area. What you consider a useful report will depend on your knowledge of accounting, your management style, and the industry you are in. I will show you how to get to these reports to be able to familiarize yourself with what they can do for you and your business. Go to Reports, and some of the most useful reports you will find in the Company and Financial section. Here you can see all available reports, the profit and loss summary and detail, and the various variations of these two reports. There you will see the income by customer summary and detail, as well as expenses by vendor summary and detail. You will also find your balance sheet standard and detail, and again all the variations of these reports, as well as the cash flow statements. You can get to the same reports through the Report Center and scroll to Company and Financial. Choosing this way to review reports may be easier for you, at least in the beginning, because you will see a thumbnail of how each report looks like. For example, the Profit and Loss Standard is a summary report of all your income and expense accounts, while your Profit and Loss Detail will give you a more detailed view of this report and include all individual transactions as well. You can also run a Profit and Loss year-to-date comparison, as well as a Profit and Loss previous year comparison, so you see 2 years side by side. You can also generate a Profit and Loss by job to see how much money each individual job made you, or a Profit and Loss by class to see how much money your classes made you. Your Income by Customer summary will show you your total income by individual customer, while the Income by Customer detail will also give you a detailed view of all the individual transactions. You can run the same reports for expenses by vendor. You can view the report as a summary of all expenses by vendor, or a more detailed version of the same report. You can also generate an income and expense graph. The next batch of very important reports are your variations of the balance sheet. You can generate the balance sheet standard, which is an overview of all your assets and liabilities, or the balance sheet detail, which will include all individual transactions as well, or the balance sheet summary, which is a very condensed view of the balance sheet standard. Then there is the balance sheet previous year comparison, which will show you 2 years side by side. And finally, you also can generate a net worth graph. The last batch of statements are your cash flow statements, which are the statement of cash flow and the cash flow forecast. So as you can see, there are plenty of reports available for you. You just need to figure out which ones are going to be best suited for you.